morning, students. So, today we learn about grammar. In a grammar, main important topic or most relevant topic, that is tense. Now, what is tense? Where we use tense, right? So, tense. In a tense, without using a tense, you cannot make a sentence. Without using a tense, you cannot make any sentence, right? Here, tense. Tense have the three types. Tense have three types. The first one, that is simple present tense. And simple past tense. Then simple future tense. There are three types of tense, that is simple present tense, simple past tense and the simple future tense. There are main three types of tense, and in that sub headings are there and sub tense are there in the three, but the main is three tense: past, present and future. Now, where we use the present tense? Where we use the present tense? If we are doing any activity at present, then we can use the present tense. If we are doing any activity at present, then we use the present tense. If we have to describe any past activities, if we have to describe yesterday's activities or a year ago activities or a day ago or a month ago, then we use the past tense. Then future tense. Now, where we can use the future tense? We use the future tense to describe the future activity. If we have to talking about 2 years before this, not the before, but now from the next 2 years. If we are talking about the next 2 years, then we use the future tense. Clear? Now, where we use the tense? In tense, in standard 9th and 10th, the tense are used to make sentence, but in standard 9 and 10, you have to make the essay, then stories, then report, right? In this, you can use tense to make a sentence. In standard 10, tense is the most important to write an essay, to write a story or email. The main thing, that is tense. Clear? So, let's begin with the simple present tense. Now, let's begin with the simple present tense, where we use the simple present tense. So, here, first tense is simple present tense. So, in a present tense, where we use this tense? So, we use this tense to express habits. Where we use this tense? To express express the habits. Now, which type of habits? Which type of habits? Suppose, example. First example, that is, I go to school regularly. Then, second one, I eat apple. I eat apple daily. Then I drink milk every day. I drink milk every day. Then next is my father goes to office every day. So, here one specific words are there. Here one specific words are there. It is regularly, then daily, then every day. Every day. So, it describes our daily habit. It describes our daily habits, our routine. It shows the daily activity. So, we are using, if we are using or if we want to express the daily activities or regularly activities, then we can use the simple presentation. Clear? This is our daily habits. I go to walk. I go for walk every day. So it shows our daily habits. We are going every day. So to express habit in to express the any habits, then we use the simple present tense. Clear? To shows our habit and regular activities. Now moving further. Now how we know that is our daily activities? So here specific word. If specific words are there, then we can say that this is the simple present tense. So specific word is daily, then every day, then generally, daily, every day, generally, then regularly, often. These all are shows our daily habit or daily activity. Clear? These all are the words. Done? Now moving further. To express general truth and principles. Here, what is the meaning of principles? Here, principle means maths and science principles or rule, maths and science principle, right? Maths and science principle. If we have to make any equation in science, if we want to, or if we want to make some equation, then we are using the specific formula. If we are added 2, so in that any equation we have to remove 2 also. So that is the principle, specific principle. We cannot change it. Clear? At that time we using the present tense. So here I am giving one example. If we want to add something, then it's a math. Right? So here I am using 2 plus 2 make 4. 2 plus 2 make 4. So it is our principle. If we make 2 plus 2, then we get 4. So this is the principle, right? Here adding rule, addition rule are there. 2 plus 2 make 4, right? This is the one principle. Understand the example of the principle of maths. Here word to express general truth of the principles. Then one general truth, right? We have holiday on Sunday. That is the general truth. We have holiday on Sunday. That is the general truth. So, if we have to describe the general truth, then we use the present tense. Clear? Now, moving further. To show the direct instruction. In that example, we are giving instruction to the someone. If we are going to give instruction to the someone, then which tense we use? We use the simple present tense. The example, you take a flight. You can take a flight from the Ahmedabad. So this is the direct instruction. You take a flight from the Ahmedabad. Or we can say that you do not You do not talk with each other. That is also we are giving the direct instruction. Teacher giving the instruction that you do not do this. So it shows the present tense where the direct instruction is given. Then which tense? Tense is the present tense. Then one more example. You do not need to write in fair book. This is also the instruction. You do not need to write in fair book. This is the instruction. You have to do homework, right? So these all are the instruction. If we are giving the instruction, then which tense we have to use? We have to use the present tense. Clear? Write in your book. Then next one, used in proverbs. Used in proverbs. If we are saying something, or if we want to say a proverb to other, then which tense? In proverb, the tense are used, that is present tense. So here example. An apple in a day keeps doctor away. Then prevention is better than cure. Then better late than never. These all are proverbs. Here, which tense are used? The simple present tense. Keeps, right? Here, is better than, light than, ever, never. Sorry. So here, which tense is used? Here, the tense described, that is present tense. One more example. Don't judge a book by its cover. So here which tense we use? We use the simple present tense. Clear? Where we use the simple present tense? To show our daily habits, to show the principles and the some truth, some definite Then we use the present tense in the proverbs. Write it. Then now moving further. Next, the close. The clues beginning with if and when. When any sentence start from these two words, that is if and when, then also we are using the present tense. So example of that, if he works hard, he will pass the exams. Right? This is the sentence beginning with the clause if. Here what is given? If he works hard. Here which word is coming? Works. So this is in a present tense. This describes the present tense. If he works hard, he will pass the exam. Then next example. When you go to the temple, when you go to the temple, then you got laddu. Right? When you go to the temple, you got the laddu. When you go to the temple, you will get laddu. Here, go represent the simple present tense. Clear? This example of the clause beginning with the if and when, where we use the if and when. Clear this?